Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video the ingredients we'll be using is swipe fish fry by Zatarain's Old Bay seasoning, eggs, grits, and milk. Before we get started, I want to thank you so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So here we have our eggs and milk mixed. I'm going to use the wet hand dry hand method. So I'm going to dip the fish into the whisked eggs and then coat it into the fish fry. I'm not double coating, I'm just single coating. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in the fryer and let it cook. Once you have got onto your last set of fish, you're going to move on to your grits. If you're a first time grits maker, whatever brand you decide to buy, there are instructions on the back or on the side on how to make the grits. For me, I'm just going to eyeball everything because I've been making grits for so long. Also, I'm going to be making cheese grits, so you will see me put loads of cheese inside of my grits. The reason I say to cook your grits on your last set of fish because grits only take about 5 to 8 minutes. So there is no rush and you want everything to be done at the same time so you can have a nice hot meal. So roomies, this is the final meal. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in my next one. Bye.